to Virtual Storytime with Miss Lauren. Since we have bad weather on the way, today we will be reading and singing about rain. Do you like rain? How about when it thunders really loud? Does that scare you? Sometimes. I think that can be exciting. I like the thunder and the lightning. So, before we begin our story, let's sing The More We Get Together. And for this song, I am going to teach you some sign language. So first, to sign more, you're going to tap your fingertips together softly. More. More. Good job. This is a good one to use around the house. More. To sign together, you're going to make a fist with each hand, gently smush them, and make a real big circle with your arms. Together. Together. To sign happy, you're going to put your hands on your chest and throw them in the air with a great big smile. Happy. Happy. To sign friends, you're going to stick out both of your pointer fingers like you're showing two friends, and then hook them together like they are hugging. Because that's what friends do, right? We hug. Friends. Friends. All right, we're going to sing The More We Get Together. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Very nice. Wonderful job. And you can keep practicing your sign language at home. All right. Are we ready for our story? Yes? Here we go. Splish Splash Ducky by Lucy Cousins. Read with permission from Candlewick Press. Splish Splash Ducky by Lucy Cousins. Hello, I am Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say, quack, quack, quack. Woohoo, goody, hooray! It's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with Frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with Wriggly Worm. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for a bug and a hug for a slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splash, splish. I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak. Hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips. No more drops. No more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go and see my dad.
Cheer up, ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack.
It's time for our ABCs. If you have any eggs at home or instruments you can shake along, you can go grab them. Ready? Since we're using so much sign language, I'm going to sign our ABCs. You can shake along. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. Okay, with all this rain on the way, we're going to sing a song called Are You Sleeping? And I have some animal friends here who can help us sing along. Here we go. Do you know what animal this is? Yes, it's a cow. What sound does a cow make? Excellent. So we're going to sing Are You Sleeping? To our cow. Shh. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, little cow? Little cow. All the rain is falling, all the rain is falling. Sleep, sleep, snore, sleep, sleep, snore. Say goodnight, cow. Moo. Our next animal is a kitty cat. Good job. What sound does a cat make? Yes, you know the cat sound. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, little cat? Little cat. All the rain is falling, all the rain is falling. Sleep, sleep, snore. Sleep, sleep, snore. Say goodnight, kitty cat. Meow. All right, what about this guy? Yup, it's a frog. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Good job. Here we go. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, little frog? Little frog. All the rain is falling. All the rain is falling. Sleep, sleep, snore. Sleep, sleep, snore. Good job. Say goodnight, frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Okay, here he goes. Last one. What is it? Yup, it's a duck. What sound does a duck make? Good job. Quack, 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 quack. Let's go. Shh. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, little duck? Little duck. All the rain is falling, all the rain is falling. Sleep, sleep, snore. Sleep, sleep, snore. Say goodnight, duck. Quack, 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 quack. Good job, everyone. Great job with your animal sounds, too. I have one more song to teach you about rain. This one is called Come Under My Umbrella, and I'm going to teach you some more sign language to go along with it. The sign for umbrella, you're going to make two fists, put one hand on top of the other, and pretend that you're opening your umbrella. 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 The sign for rain, you're going to put your hands over top of your head and bring them down like the rain is falling down. Rain. Rain. The sign for thunder, you're going to point to your ear because you hear thunder, and then take your fists and move them back and forth like it's loud thunder in your ear. Thunder. Thunder. And the sign for lightning, you're going to point your finger and make a zigzag motion all the way down, just like a lightning bolt. Lightning. Lightning. So we'll put them all together and we can sing our song. You can watch me the first time and sing along the second time. Here we go. Come under my umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Come under my umbrella, it's starting to rain. With thunder and lightning, and thunder and lightning. Come under my umbrella, it's starting to rain. Very good. One more time. Come under my umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Come under my umbrella, it's starting to rain. With thunder and lightning, and thunder and lightning. Come under my umbrella, it's starting to rain. Awesome! Thank you for joining me for our virtual story time. Before we go, we'll sing our goodbye song. Ready? Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky chin. Cheeky, cheeky chin, nose, eyes, bye-bye. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rain. Stay safe and keep on reading.